Welcome to part 2. In part 2 we'll briefly explain how the stringer cladding works and how to do it. We've got a separate video, a longer video, how to do it step after step, but I'll show you just briefly how it works, so let's begin. So we've got our stringer cladding already done. As I said in the separate video, there is a lot more detail about how to do it. Very briefly, what we did, Martin was using these MDF strips just to make one of these templates. Martin, can you just put it there where you did it? So he just he was using these strips, he glued up all the shape of it, then he have transferred it to one of the stringers. Okay, so we had that transfer there, we marked all the lines, and then using a jigsaw the shape was cut it out. All the pieces are now in place, so as you can see they've all been fitted. In that separate video we also explain about the joint very briefly again. We will be putting a riser there, a oak riser, and it will have oak tread. So therefore all that gaps, all the imperfections underneath cut by a jigsaw, as well as the joint which is made in the shortest possible space, will be covered by the tread. So before all that cladding was fixed in place, Martin was using his nail gun, so he's got a little tiny little pins here and there which are hard to see. As you can see there's one there, but again there will be a thread which will cover that pin. We have raised it up by about 3 millimeters, so let me just move to the other side. So we have raised it from the level of the stringer. It's gone up by about 3 millimeters to allow for a stringer cap. That's a solid oak piece stringer cap which is available on our website. It is just to finish it off in a great detail. Thanks for watching part 2. As I said very briefly, as we've got separate video on how to do stringer cladding, so please look at the link below. My name is Lucas. Give us a like, subscribe our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.